What about the second one here? Does the LED emit light irrespective of the switch positions? Give the reason for your answer. See, it is asked for 2 marks, right? You must give its answer uh, like like that. Anyone? Who did this question here? Who did this question?
Sir, it won't emit light, sir.
Why?
Like,
Sir, equipotential, sir.
Yes.
Sir, on the both sides.
How do you know this? Oh my God! How do I cut this? Very good. You're right.
Sir, it's equipotential surface because both sides will be 5 volts.
Both sides.
Both sides of the LED is 5 volt, so therefore it won't.
Very good. Okay, fine. Okay, that's great. Can I? Okay, I'm able to write now. Okay, that's fine. See,
Sir, here we won't consider the drop across the 1 kilo ohm.
oh my God, I'm unable to hear your voice. Why?
Sir, am I audible, sir?
You're audible, but your voice is low.
Sir, now?
Even now, same. My volume is high, but still I'm unable to hear. You're saying something. What is that?
Sir, is the drop across the 1 kilo ohm is negligible or?
Not required here. Forget about one. See, I'll tell you. Okay, of course, that is almost negligible. You see, the thing is that I just gave in the options, right? One of the options, I mean, in the question, I just mentioned that assume 1 volt. I mean, 5 volt indicates logic 1, and 0 volt indicates 0. And also, I just mentioned that this LED operates in forward bias region. Okay, that means LED glow in forward bias region. What is the meaning of that? That means, see, if this is say logic 1, and if this is logic 0, then the bulb glow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. This is the only thing. That means this must be some 5 volt. See, this need not be 0 volt, but we are saying approximately 0. That's it. Okay, think like that. It is say 0 volt, says you have some idle stuff. You are neglecting the drop of, I mean, across 1K, something like that. Just assume that way. Now you tell me, so this must be 1, this must be logic 0. Okay, so this is logic 0 means this must be logic 0. So I must have logic 0 here. That's it. I must have logic 0. So when can I have logic 0 here? When can I have logic 0? That means when both inputs of NAND is 1, then only logic becomes 0 here, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Obviously. So when both inputs are 1, then only we have, because I know for NAND, the truth table for NAND is what? Simply, for example, say this is say some A, this is some B, say I have A, B, this is say some Y. Okay, this is some Y. I know very well 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is Y? A and B whole complement. Okay, so you get 1 here output, 1, 1, but here it is 0. So when both inputs are high, output must be off. So that therefore, now what? Okay, can I erase this? Am I able to erase this? Fine. So I will remove all these things. Okay, so there is 1 here, and of course you have 1 here. So these two must be 1. Okay, that means the output of AND gate must be 1. The output of exclusive OR gate must be 1 here. Now you tell me, when the output of AND gate is 1?
Both should be on.
Yeah,
Yes.
both should be on, right? When
Yes,
both
sir.
are 1, then only output of AND is 1. That means you must get 1 here, and you must get 1 here. Then only output of AND is 1. Now, will you get 1? For example, let me close this switch. Okay, if I close this switch like this, then what happens? You have 5 volt here. This is 5 volt, so 5 volt here, 5 volt here, so 5 volt here. Now what happens now? So if this is closed like this, or this is closed, I would say this node is connected to what now? 0 volt, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because the switch is closed here, so it is grounded. So this node, I mean, whatever voltage we have here, so that will appear across this node. I mean, at this node, 0 volts. So this is 0 volt, and of course you have 5 volt here. So what do I say? So 5 volt means we took logic 1 like this. So there is 1 in this case. That's fine. And what about this? See, this 5 volt is connected to 1K and to ground. For example, if I connect like this, again it is grounded, okay? I'm thinking so. So it is grounded. So 5 volt is connected to 1K to ground. That means 5 volt is here again. So therefore it is again 1. So there is no doubt if I close this 2 or whatever, I get 1 here. That's fine. Now the big deal is what, this fellow, this exclusive OR gate. Now you tell me when the output of exclusive OR gate is 1.
One should be high, one should be low.
That means when you have odd ones at the input, output is 1. Yes or not? For exclusive OR gate, if the number of inputs is, if the number of ones is odd, then output must be 1. So one must be 0, other must be 1. Now you tell me one point. Now you just tell me here, if this guy is 1, if this guy is 1, this one is also 1 here, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me this 5 volt is connected through this 1K and it is not given to ground now. Okay. So now it is given directly like this. Now what do I say? Now what do I say? What voltage you have here? Approximately 1, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? I'm asking here, what do I have here now?
Yes, sir. One, sir.
1 only you must get, not 0, okay? So if 1 exclusive or 1 is what now 0. If this is 0, of course 0. If one of the inputs of NAND is 0, output must be what now? Logic 1. That means, okay, you forgot about this 1K here, this is logic 1. Anyways, that 1K is not, means in ideal case we don't bother that 1K. Now in forward biased region, LED works we know very well. So now both P-type and N-type have logic high. So now this became 5 volt, okay? So therefore the bulb doesn't glow, the LED doesn't glow. So irrespective whether you off it or whether you on it, doesn't matter. Okay, you go home and again check it. You off these two switches, and one switch you on, other switch you off. Okay, both you off, both you on. Whatever you do doesn't matter. This bulb will never glow. That's it. So this is a very simple stuff. The only thing is you have to practice now reverse engineering like this. That means you have to solve this question like this. Okay, start like this and again you come this way and end it this way. Yeah, sometimes you have to take round like this. It's very simple. So we'll close this issue. There is no big deal. We'll close this issue also. Remaining questions are very simple, anyone can do. Yeah. So we are solving a product of sums questions, right? In KMAP. So we'll take one more question. Let f of a be, I'm taking one more question, like product of max terms. This pi indicates like product, say this capital M indicates max terms. Product of max terms 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what you get now? So I have two variables, so 2 power 2, you have 4 cells. So this is 2 variable K-map or 4 cell K-map. I take MSB here A, LSB as B. So 0, 1, so this is 0, 1 and 0, 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So I have all 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So now what it happens, so I get 0, 1, 2, 3. So can I group all these 4? Sorry, I must take here zeros, right? Max terms.
Yes, sir. Zeros.
Can I group all these 4 terms? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer now?
1.
No,
One. 0, sir.
0.
Yes, sir.
See, if it is sum of minterms, for example, if I have like this sum of minterms 0, because you see, 0 is logic, I mean, high in case of max terms, and 1 is 0, okay? And the reverse is true with minterms, because 0 is like low for loss, I mean, for minterms, and 1 is high there in minterms. So if it is the case of sum of minterms case, if I have like this, so I have all ones. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So A, B, F is equal to what here?
1, sir.
1.
Once.
In this case, F equal to 0. So just to say this, I picked up this simple problem. Now we will try to introduce now don't cares, okay? So we will introduce don't care condition. See some textbooks, what they do, you know, some textbooks they take this symbol for don't care, this cross. Some textbooks they say they take this symbol for 5, whatever you choose, it's okay, it's up to you. Okay, otherwise you can put your own Greek symbol, whatever. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Now one important point is important. Okay, so this don't cares, they are used in incompletely specified functions. First point is this. And second point is, see, while grouping adjacent cells, this don't care can be treated either 0 or 1. So if you are grouping max terms, then you can treat don't care as 0. Okay. If you are grouping min terms, then you can treat don't care as 1. So don't care, I'll take like this here. Okay. So I'll make use of cross for don't care. So don't care cross could be 0 or 1. Okay, while see, you will come to know if you want to deal with max terms, choose this guy. If you're dealing with min terms, choose this guy. That's it. Okay. Now, one more important point. This is very important. Okay, all don't cares need not involve in grouping. See, most of the mistakes they come here. Okay, so all don't cares, if you want to group all these don't cares, and that's not required. You don't require to group all the don't cares in your K-map, whatever. For example, I'll take one short question. You see, for example, I have F is equal to sum of minterms 0, 1, 4, 7. Okay, now I'll take some don't cares like this. Let me use this color. Okay, so I'll take some don't cares. See, I'm using the subscript D indicates don't cares. For example, 3, 6. Yes. So how do I do this? I'll do it first of all. Let me take, see how many variables I have here.
3, sir.
How many variables we have? I have the maximum digit here is 7, indicates I have 3 variables,
There
right?
are 3 variables. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, let me take like this f of some a, comma b, comma c. I have 3 variables, so I'll start from here, then 1, then 2. Okay, so I'll take my MSB as A, capital B, LSB as C. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, Mr. 0, Mr. 1. Now I know very well how to locate stuff. So I'll put this minterm 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. All right. So now I have at 0. So therefore I take this color. This color is good. So this is 0. See, I have minterms. Okay, sum of minterms I have. So 0. And I have here 1, Mr. 2, Mr. 4, and then 7. All right. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. I have don't cares also 3, 6. So I just take some other color for don't cares. So I have 3 here and I have 6. Now, how do I do this? What is the best possible? See, whenever you require the help of don't care, you can make use of it. If you feel it's not required, then don't use it. See, now as we're grouping these minterms now in this case, don't care becomes what here? 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you're dealing with sum of minterms, so don't care becomes 1 here. So if you want it, use it. Otherwise, don't require to use it. See, for example, if I don't have this don't care, can I group these 3 elements here? No? In the first
No,
row, can I group like this? These 3, the first row. I can't, right?
yes,
I have here now don't care. Now you know what I can do here? I can happily group it now. You see like this. Now I can group it like this. This is a quad. Yeah. Now in this case, don't care equal to what here? 1.
1, sir.
Yeah, see, that's the beauty, okay? So you have this. Now what else you have? Can I group like this here? I'll take, for example, this one. Can I group it? Yeah. See, I have one don't care here, one again don't care. Yeah. Are you able to understand this?
yes, sir.
Yeah, and again, I can also do this. See, I have one don't care. I'm always using the best possible grouping this way. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now see, we covered all the terms here. Now the very first one, this one, the horizontal stuff. So what you get there? So A complement, anything else?
No, sir.
That's it. Because a quad eliminates how many variables?
2, sir.
2,
Very
sir.
good. A quad should eliminate, quad means 2 power 2, so 2 variables are gone. So 2 variables are gone now. So I have 3 variables A, B, C. Out of 3 variables A, B, C, B and C are gone for the first one. Okay, because this A complement is common for all these 4 cells. All right, and next one, I want to choose this fellow. So what do I get now? Again, we
sir.
have quad, so 2 variables must be eliminated now. So what do I get now?
B.
That is B. Because if I choose this particular quad, A is changing from 0 to 1. I don't want any changing stuff. And C is also changing from 1 to 0. I don't want this. I want common stuff. So B is common. Because in KMAP stuff, always we take common terms. So A complement or B. Anything else we're left with? The last one. This one, okay? So we have this one now. We want to group this. So what do I get?
C
C
complement.
complement.
So A is changing, see, between these 2 cells, A is changing from 0 to 1. I can't take A. See, now B, see, I have BC like this, and again it is BC here, we have 1, 0. So who is changing here? B is changing from 0 to 1. So who is common now? Who is common?
C complement.
Yeah, very good. So this guy, this C complement is common. So therefore, A complement, is it? Okay, very good. So C complement. So A complement or B or C complement. This is what your expression, final or simplified expression, whatever. I hope you're able to understand these things, okay? And of course, we'll also solve problems where we don't see some don't cares we require and some we don't, okay? So we will have to solve in that style. You will come to know that, don't worry. You'll solve it. For example, I have a situation like this. See, some f of ABC is given to you. Okay, you have some minterms. Okay, directly I'll put the figure. This time I will take, every time we are taking like, so this time I'll take like this, 1, 2, 3, okay. So A, B, C. All right. So I have C 0, 1. So I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And I'm just asking you what is my F here. So this is okay, leave it. I'm asking like this, what is my F? So given K map to you. So sometimes maybe given some direct K maps like this and they'll ask you what is that F, okay? So, okay, so in the problem it is given like this. So one don't care is here and you have 3 ones and you have one don't care here, okay? Now what is F here, anyone? What is my F here? Anyone in class? Anyone please? What must be my F?
Sir,
I
A
know you
plus
can
C.
ask. Yes?
A plus C.
F is A or C. Okay. Anyone? Any other answers, please? How did you get C? Okay, anyways, I'll come to that. Any other answers, please? Just give a try what is there in that. No? Unable to? I think we require one more class to complete this KMAPs. I think we can't
Sir, A
complete.
or BC, sir.
A or?
BC.
What A or?
BC, sir. B and C.
A or BC?
Yes, sir.
See, I just told you, whenever we want don't cares, use it. Otherwise, don't use it. So therefore, the name don't cares, okay? So just, if you want it, use it. Otherwise, no. Means how, for example, you see, can I group 8 cells here? No. Can I
No,
group
sir.
4 cells here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, happily we can group 4 cells. See, why I'm asking you, because many of the students, they are doing mistakes here only, yeah? So therefore, I started this with a question. So I can group like this. Yeah, and this is what?
Why?
Yeah, so A is common, B is changing from 1 to 0. So B is changing from 1 to 0. I don't want this. I want only common, common stuff. So A is equal to 1. This is common. I want this. I want this. And what is C? See, C is changing again from 0 to 1 for this 4 cells. For this 4 cells, C is changing. So I don't want this. So anyways, quad eliminates 2 variables. So in this case, B and C got eliminated. Now who won the race? A. So I got A as of now. Okay. No, I know that most of you tempted. It's not again. Okay. I think it's getting stuck. So I think this one I took right. Not required. I'm telling you. Just don't try to pair that fellow. It's not required. Already all ones are covered here, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Your main target is this fellow only here. All ones are covered. All ones are covered with this don't care already given to you. And this don't care is just like that. Okay. You just don't tempt pairing that don't care. See, what is the point number 3? All don't cares need not involve in grouping. Yeah, point number 3 is this. This point is, of course, very important point is this. So it's not required again. Yeah, so what if you take that? It's getting stuck, I think, today. So this is not required. I don't require to do this. This is not required. Let me remove this. I think my screen is getting stuck today. It's not responding. Gone. This lecture I can't upload them. Just give me some 10 seconds. It's gone. That means you can write like this. So this pairing is not required. I'm just writing here. It's getting stuck. So this pairing this pairing is not required. Are you all able to understand this? So finally, what is the answer? F equal to,
A, sir.
this is the answer, that's it. So you must be, so if everyone understood, then we can go for the next question, okay? So like this, you can solve any questions here, means there is no big deal. For example, I have product of max terms. Say product of what product terms we'll take? We will take something like 0, we'll take 4, 6, plus I'll take some don't cares I will take, like this I will take 1, 2, and 7. All right, let me take something like this. So what is the largest digit you have? 7. So how many variables we can take now?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Very good. So we can take 3 variables. Say you have like f of ABC, where ABC are 3 variables now. So I'll draw it. Let me draw it. Okay, I'll take midpoint. Okay, then I'll draw like this. Okay. So I'm taking A as most significant bit and the C as least significant bit, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay. So I have product of max terms here. So I must take the zeros. My screen is stuck, not responding. What do I do? This OneNote is hindrance. Okay, this is causing hindrance. It's getting stuck. Just give me some 10 more seconds. It's getting stuck. Yeah, it turned up now. Okay, so 0, I have 0 here, so 0, and I have 4, so this 4 is here, and then 6, so Mr. 6 is here. Okay, so I covered 0, 4, 6, and whatever don't cares, I have 3 don't cares here, 1, 2, 7. So this is Mr. 1, right? So I take 1 don't care. Now in this case, don't care becomes what here?
0.
0, sir.
In this case, don't care, yeah?
0, sir.
0, sir.
Very good, 0, because I have product of max terms. So take don't care as 0. See, I'm telling you again, if you think don't care is essential in grouping, then only you take it, otherwise leave it. So 1, 2, and 7. Now, okay, so you have these things. So I have 0, don't care, 0, don't care, 0. Now, yeah, now you please tell me, what is my F here?
C, sir.
C, sir.
C.
Yes, yes.
C, sir.
C, sir. C.
Very good. F equal to C. That's great. So what I can do here is, oh my God. Okay, I got it. Thank you. So I can't. Okay, I don't have 8 cells covered. So I can go for a quad. So I can fold my K map to make a quad like this. Yeah. So this is one quad. So this is one quad. Yeah. And do you want, and what about this don't care here? Oh my God.
Religion.
Yeah. And what about this don't care?
Not required.
Not required. See, please don't do this. And if you are tempted doing this, unnecessarily you will have to waste these logic gates, okay? And your expression will take, I mean, your result will take some time to obtain. So therefore, don't go for these things. So this is not required. So this is not required. This is also not required. See, out of 3 don't care. So don't care 1, don't care 2, don't care 3. Only this don't care is required here. So remaining 2 are not required. Okay. So therefore, I'll remove this. Okay. Anyways, it's getting stuck. I can't do anything. So F is equal to C. I'm taking this one here. Okay. And for this one, oh my God. I don't know. This laptop cost 1 lakh. I don't know why it's getting stuck like this. See, and that's it. Because if I take these cells, A is changing from 0 to 1. I don't want this. And again, what B is changing from 0 to 1. I don't want this. Who is not changing, Mr. C? So please don't take C complement. If you're dealing with max terms, take 0 as uncomplemented stuff and 1 as complemented stuff. So you have 0 here. So take that as C. F is equal to C, not C complement. F is equal to C is the answer. Okay.